So opening it up, we've got a pretty sturdy base that is made out of metal, that base. We'll put that aside. And then we got the tree itself. Let me pull all this out, get the box out of here, and then we'll come back. Looks like that's a top piece. Little set of instructions. Well, one thing you're gonna have to get used to, there's a lot of this powdery stuff that I'm probably gonna have to sweep up. I don't know what that is. And that looks to be the pole that goes right in the middle. So let's get rid of the box real quick. Okay, looking over the instructions here, you can see right here, it's 7.5 foot tall. The base, it looks like you just screw that into the base and then the pieces just get stacked. You've got 3 pieces, a base, and that's pretty much it. This thing looks very simple to install. You can see the instructions there. That's to tighten it down on the base. Little set of hardware. I bet you it's all in there. You'll fan these edges completely out. Then you can plug it in because it has lights built into it. Okay, the first thing it looks like, you got these little caps on here. Take these caps off, and this is the longer piece, so it's gonna go down inside the base like that. You get the little set of hardware right here, and it looks like it just screws right in like this. You've got 3 of them. Okay, now that I have the base and all that screwed down there, you're gonna take, I think it's the C piece, and each piece is labeled there. You can see right there, C, and you see it has the plug-in. There's a cap inside of here. Take your cap off, and then you see that pole right there? That's gonna go just like that, and it locks in like that. Then the B, just like this. Basically all it is A, B, and C. Slide it on just like that. Then the A piece has a little piece like that, and it's gonna go in just like this. And it's a square, and it slides down like that. Now the tree is there, and then now what you're gonna do is go through and fluff it all out, and it's an actual tree. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all put together there. You can see how it looks right here. And what the instructions had you do was actually put down this cardboard before you really start anything. I didn't do that, but you know what? I put it down, and I didn't get that much around. Once I kind of got it all fluffed out, it worked just fine. The cardboard catches a lot of it. Then you'll lift up the tree, slide the cardboard out, and just kind of like throw it away. You can see you have those little caps right there. I'm saving those caps to put back on it when I like pack it back down after the new year. What I'm going to do now is, so you can see right here, I don't have an extension cord, but what I'm going to do is zip tie this around the back of it right here. Let me plug it in and just show you what it looks like while it's plugged in. So I'm going to be running it from this, but I'm just going to show you. I'll check this out. Does that not look awesome? This thing has lights built into it, and the lights are actually all the way at the top up there, and they just kind of like integrate inside of it, and it's got this kind of like snow spray on it. This thing looks really good. And what I did, I went ahead and cut the little red kind of ABC pieces off, and I plugged them in right here, so it just kind of like blends in right there. Get you a little pair of scissors, be real careful, and then cut those red A, B, and C off. Once you got it set up, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. The wider one's on the bottom, medium in the middle, and then a little one at the top, and you can see how it is. Now, I will go ahead and decorate this, and just to note, there's a big gap between here and here of probably about 2.5, 3 feet, so be prepared that you're gonna need to fill this area up with like extra items. I'm gonna get a kind of a nice looking tree skirt, and then what I think I'm gonna do is put some sort of weight or something down. They actually have screw holes on the bottom, so it makes me think that you could put like maybe a piece of wood or something and screw it down to it and have this thing super solid and good to go. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the pre-snowed, pre-lit Christmas tree, 7.5 foot. See you all in the next video.